Kumusta na po kayo?
Okay naman po.
Kamusta po karamdaman niyo after posting that viral video kasama mo si Quentin? Kumusta na po kayo?
After posting that, at first kasi I was really scared to post that. But then I realized na marami ang makaka-relate at makaka-ano na it's natural to get tired and it's okay to get tired. So, it felt good na umamin na tao tayo, we can get tired, but it's okay to get tired. Huwag lang tayo susuko. Alam mo yun?
Sa kabila nito, you look awesome. What keeps you going?
Yung pa rin yung pagiging nanay siguro. But because we are needed, di ba? You have to go on, di ba? And a lot of prayers.
Do you run right now? You look, magkano bang pinagkakabalaan mo? Ang ganda ng tan mo? Anong downtime mo bilang isang ina?
Downtime? Pag nag-swimming si Quinty, nakikiswimming ako.
Ayun pala yun.
Ganda ng pagkatan mo.
Yun po, pag nag-swimming si Quinty, nag-swimming din ako. So, ganun.
Sorry, very Gen Z to. Very chicks na yun.
Okay.
Diba? Parang ang ganda. You look amazing. Thank you for sharing that video. Kasi nga, ang daming still hindi nakakuha na lang sa loob. Diagnosed ng children.
Yes.
Diba? Parang what do you want to say lang na yung world
Yes, because it's Autism Month, I think lakpas na tayo sa awareness eh. Lakpas na tayo sa awareness. Nandun na tayo sa acceptance. We have to learn to accept. If the parents and the family do not accept kung ano yung problema, what more the people around us, diba? Doon na tayo eh. We are aware that there's autism, there's ADHD, neurodivergence, but are we ready to accept them to be part of our community, na makatabi natin, makausap natin?
Kamusta yung progress ni Quentin ngayon? Kamusta anong pinagkakabalaan niya ngayong summer?
Well, now he's working. On the job training siya ngayon sa isang Italian restaurant. Yes. So nagsiserve na siya, gumagawa ng cafe, ng coffee, ng juice, kung ano, kumuha ng orders, nagmamap, nagwawash ng plates, yung mga ganon. First job.
Umiyak ka? Anong pinakawala mo sa trabaho?
More of kinakabahan ako. Kasi nung pinaghuhugas ng pinggan, kinakabahan ako kung ilan yung pinggan na mababasag, yung ganyan. Yung mga ganun bagay. Oo, diba? But so far, he's doing very, very well. So, and he's very happy. Dati kasi parang 2 hours, 3 hours lang siya. Ngayon, he wants to stay there. Yes. Oo. He started 2 months ago. I realized na there's a lot of people going through a lot of things na doon ko rin na-realize na it's okay lang. Okay to get tired. It's diba, we're human. Kasi they keep on calling me super mom, ang galing ko, ganyan-ganyan. So I show, parang accidentally na-record ko. Diba? So I showed them na yung human side na diba? Hindi sila nag-iisa. Yes, napapagod. Actually, that was the first time I really cried in front of Quentin. Yes.
And we felt that we scared.
It was the first time I really cried in front of Quentin.